Alright gang, we're going to deal with 2-5. Now it's going to look familiar, isn't it? So wait a minute, we just did this one. Well yeah, this is what they had us create in the last one. So we're going to take this same code that essentially we generated in the last exercise, and instead of it being static values, like we see here, the salaries don't change. Now that constant, that will remain static, but these doubles, the variables, let's allow them to be input by the user. Okay? Let's come right after that declaration, and we'll go ahead and do a right line, open, close, do our quotes there. Please enter the salary for employee 1. I'll put a colon after that and a little space. And then we'll put a semicolon at the end. We'll hit enter. Now, it seems we're one space off on these because I didn't back them up the way that we had previously. I'm going to take that line there that I just wrote, copy it, put a space, paste it, space, paste it, space. So modify that, employee 2, employee 3. So coming up with inputs for each one of these variables up above. So if that's the case, let's go ahead and we're going to define the variable. It's a data type double, and it's salary 1. Salary 1 equals, I'm going to do something we've done before, double dot parse, and we've got our read line. Okay, go ahead and close that. Now let's copy that line. I like that line. We'll paste it down in these next couples. And we'll just modify it to where the second one is salary 2, and the third one is salary 3. And let's come up here to that line they gave us with the initial declaration. We're just going to put a couple of forward slashes in there and comment out that declaration. Let's go ahead and run the code and see. Please enter salary for employee 1. Employee 1 was $25,000. We remember that because we can see it up there. Employee 2 was $38,000. And employee 3 was $51,000. Enter. And it gave us the outputs. So we don't have to rely on something being static and it doesn't change regardless of how many times you run it. With this, it can be different every time we run this code, and it's dependent upon what the user provides as input. So let's test this and see what we get. And Cody tests us. That says we're good. We got 2 for 2. Okay? So I'll see you in the next one. We'll look back the things we got that are new. We didn't do anything really new in this one. Right line we prompted, and then we read and parsed, converted to a double, and stored it in that double we declared as salary 1. Okay? So we'll go ahead. I'll see you in the next one.